Hey guys, are you tired of email apps deciding how your inbox should look and work? Whether it's Gmail, Apple Mail, or Outlook, you are mostly limited to the features and layout they provide. If you have ever wished you could customize your email experience, manage multiple accounts more efficiently, and have more controls over your inbox, then Thunderbird might be exactly what you're looking for. So, as you can see here, that it is free and open source. So Thunderbird is a free and open source email client that puts you in control so that you connect to Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, iCloud, and other email accounts all in one place. But what makes Thunderbird different is its customizations. Here you can see we can download the mails and use it in offline. So it's pretty much very useful. Here in the left menu bar, we can see different options like mail, contacts, calendar, even we can set our tasks. Also, there is a chat section where you can chat to people. Now, let's start with general settings. Here you can customize startup behavior, notifications, updates, message handling, and other account preferences. You decide how Thunderbird works, not the other way around. A lot of customizations here. In this space, I have said that clear my cache on shutdown. That's very impressive. Whenever I shut down my computer, it's all automatically clear my cache. Also, in messaging list, there's too much crowded, so I have decided to make sure it only shows the name only. And in opening the message, it should be in a new tab so that it helps me to read multiple chats or messages at the same time without making them lose my track. Also, I can download the PDF, the important PDF there automatically. If if you want, you can set that. But I am setting it to ask me every time when I download. Also, you can change the font, style. Also, you can use scrolling feature in here. It's for smooth scrolling. And for system integrations, make it a default so that it integrates completely with our system. In appearance, we can see that we change the colors, we can customize it in our own way so that it feels our own app. So in appearance, most email app gives you fixed interface. Thunderbird lets you customize themes, message layout, density, folder view, fonts, colors, and even install community created themes. You can make it look exactly how you want. Then there is composition. If you write lots of email, you'll love this section. You can create custom signatures, templates, auto corrections, spell check settings, reply preference, and compose emails exactly the way you prefer. It's really useful for those who writes daily email. Now let's talk about privacy and security. One of the Thunderbird's strongest feature. Many email contains hidden trackers that tells companies when you open an email. Thunderbird can block remote content, prevents tracking pixels, detect phishing attempts, manage certificates, and support email encryption for better privacy. Here you also can increase the protection level. So normally your DNS request can be visible to your internet provider. DNS over HTTPS encrypts those requests, helping protect your privacy while browsing. So it's very useful. Now let's talk about chat. Many people don't even know Thunderbird includes a built-in chat feature. You can connect services like IRC, Matrix, and other supported networks directly inside Thunderbird, keeping your communication in one place. Now, one of the coolest features of Thunderbird is calendar and tasks. Thunderbird includes a full calendar system where you can schedule meetings, create events, set reminders, manage tasks, and sync with Google Calendars or Outlook Calendar. And this export for mobile feature helps to export the account to your mobile via QR. Now let's go to the account settings where we can select the security settings, the server settings like receiving mail or sending mails servers. Also here we can delete a message, just remove it immediately after deleting, or we can set it to move it to trash or just make it as delete. And in here message storage, we can empty trash on exit. That's cool. So here we can move it to trash, and after exiting the Thunderbird, then it will automatically deletes our trash. Thunderbirds allow you to train the spam filter by making emails as junk, and over time it becomes better at identifying spam messages. So if you receive a lot of promotional mails, scams, or phishing attempts, this feature can be huge time saver. It's a simple feature, but it makes managing your inbox much easier. So in end-to-end encryption, it allows to encrypt emails so that only you and the recipient can read them. You can enable and manage it directly from account settings section using Open PGP. So you can see there are a lot of feature here. And one thing you can notice here that I have opened a lot of tabs. So it comes with tab feature. You can open multiple tabs for your multi-purpose or multitasking experience. So Thunderbird also supports unified inbox for multiple email accounts, powerful search tools to find old emails instantly, smart folders for organizations, offline access to emails, add-on and extensions, advanced filtering and automation rules, open source transparency and privacy. This is why many professionals, developers, students, researchers, and power users prefer Thunderbird. It's not just an email client, it's complete communication and productivity hub that puts you in a control. And best of all, it's completely free.